Okay, continue. The next regulation that regulate acid-base balance is respiratory system. So respiratory system regulation of acid-base balance is actually a physiological buffering system. Okay, there are reversible equilibrium between carbon dioxide and water with our bicarbonate buffer system with the carbonic acid. Okay, carbonic acid and hydrogen and the bicarbonate ion. Okay, we have already looked into this buffer system, bicarbonate ion, carbonic acid, right? So this bicarbonate ion and carbonic acid actually relate closely or associate closely with carbon dioxide and water. So carbon dioxide and water accumulated due to cellular respiration. When the cell produce the energy or cell respirate, the cell use the glucose, okay, to break down the glucose molecule to get ATP, right? So during that process, by the end of that process, the end product or the byproduct of cellular respiration is carbon dioxide and water, right? So this carbon dioxide and water, when mixed together, they form carbonic acid. So this equation over here, okay? And carbonic acid, this carbonic acid, it's already entered the bicarbonate buffer system, right? Carbonic acid can dissociate into proton ion and bicarbonate ion, okay? Or when proton ion is excessive, it will shift to the equation will shift to forming the carbonic acid, right? So this formula, chemical formula, dissociate or associate depends on the concentration of carbon dioxide. All right. So how does the respiratory system help in maintaining the acid-base balance? Okay, when we use this left hand side here, when a lot of CO2 present in our body system, so this condition, our body system, this condition is considered acidic to our body system. Okay, when this is excessive, the carbon dioxide excessive, it will mix with water and forming carbonic acid. So this carbonic acid, if this in high concentration, it indicates that our body system, acid-base balance in our body system is acidic. So how a respiratory help in maintaining the acid-base balance? So this respiratory system will instruct the respiratory system whether to hyperventilate, okay, hyperventilate or hypoventilate. Okay, when our body is in acidic condition, that means we have a lot of carbon dioxide, so respiratory system will instruct, okay, the brain will instruct the respiratory system to hyperventilate. So during hyperventilation, the carbon dioxide will be expelled out, okay, or released out from our body. So in that way, carbon dioxide concentration in our body will decrease. So it will balance back from acid to alkaline or base. Vice versa, if carbon dioxide is too low, so the brain will construct this respiratory system to shallow the breathing, hypoventilate, okay, lower the breathing. So in this way, our body system, the cells in our body will accumulate the carbon dioxide and balance back the basic condition in the body. Okay, that's how respiratory system help in maintaining acid-base balance. Next, the third line defense, or the number 3 regulation that help acid-base balance is renal mechanism. Okay, so we have our first line defense, the buffer system, right? So that buffer system can dissociate and associate. Dissociate the strong acid and strong bases, and then the buffer system in our body will bind to the free hydrogen ion if it's acidic condition, or the buffer system will associate with the basic the strong basic ion, okay, and control the acid-base balance, right? But the chemical buffers cannot eliminate these sources of strong acid or strong basic from the body. Okay, how this strong acid or strong basic being eliminated is by our kidney, using our kidney, the renal mechanism. Okay, the lung, here this one, the lung can eliminate carbonic acid. So lung can only eliminate carbonic acid, or the source of acidic in terms of carbon dioxide, okay, volatile acid. But the lung cannot eliminate other sources of strong acid or weak basic. Okay, only kidney can get rid the body of metabolic acid. So we have two wording here, metabolic acid or volatile acid. Okay, volatile acids come from cellular respiration, relate with end product of cellular respiration. The kidney get rid the metabolic acid. So this metabolic acid, phosphoric acid, phosphoric, uric and lactic acids, and even ketones. So these come from consumption of food. Also comes from the metabolism process in our body. Okay, so the ultimate acid-base regulatory organs are the kidneys. So if you refresh back, I did say that if the acid-base balance disturb very severely, then the ultimate organ that execute to maintain the acid-base balance is the kidney. Okay, how this kidney regulate the acid-base balance? Whether either reabsorb the bicarbonate ion or excrete the bicarbonate ion. Okay, renal mechanism of acid-base balance. So acidic blood. So in this condition, the acidic blood, the blood or the body is lost in bicarbonate ions, or it gained a lot of hydrogen ion. Okay, but in alkaline blood, the body condition, reabsorb bicarbonate ion and has lost hydrogen ion. Okay, so hydrogen ion circulation occurs, this reabsorption or excretion of bicarbonate ion occurs in the kidney tubule, especially the H secretion, H plus secretion occurs in proximal tubule and in collecting duct. Hydrogen ions come from the dissociation of carbonic acid.